was about to introduce him. So again, I'm going to invite him. Manik started the business at 21, and he holds a bachelor's in electronics and communication, and he was platinum at 23. His passion is exploring new dimensions of life, and he likes discipline towards inner growth, and he believes in power of mentorship. So stage is yours, Mr. Manik Minhas.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome. So hello, everyone. My name is Manik Minhas. I am an electronics and communication engineer. As already introduced, I've served as a vice president for finance and legal for a youth organization called ISEC and worked for different corporates for almost about 2 years now. और ये business भी मुझे इस corporate career के दौरान ही मिला क्योंकि I was trying to find something to do of my own, where I can use my creativity and potential at its best. So that's how this business clicked me. मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है, मैं एक मीटिंग के अंदर गया था, उस ऑडिटोरियम के अंदर मैं बैठा था जाके फर्स्ट टाइम. आई वाज सिटिंग ऑन द लास्ट सीट ऑफ द ऑडिटोरियम और वहां पे जाके मेरे दिमाग में एक ही थॉट चल रहा था, यार ये बिजनेस मेरे लिए चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा. वन थिंग व्हिच आई ऑब्जर्व्ड was from the whole event that was going on over there, the ratio of youngsters was low at that point of time, and mostly I could find out people who were above 35 who were either retired, housewives or working professionals from private and government sectors. So मुझे लगा शायद ये opportunity मेरे लिए नहीं है. But towards the end of the meeting, one thing which stuck with me as a question was that why these people from multicultural backgrounds with various professions believed in the brand called Amway. So ये thought मेरे दिमाग में बार बार आ रहा था, and I thought there might be a huge potential behind it क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग, बहुत सारे multicultural background के लोग इसको build कर रहे थे. And as for my previous concern, on my way out, I had an epiphany that I should make sure that more and more youth can connect with this opportunity, which can be a game changer for them. So this optimistic approach was turning point for me in this business. And later on after that, after a few months, I have walked out of my corporate career and built this business full time. और one of the बहुत बड़ा reason था एक मेरा इस business को करने का that I am a brand conscious guy. और मुझे तो मेरे पंडित ने भी किसी ने बोला था कि यार ये लड़का ना बहुत brands करेगा तो ये भी brand conscious is always going to wear something of brand. So, okay, jokes apart, since I was a teenage, I've been working for one company जिसका मैं खुद personally बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ, that was Apple. I hope you all know about that brand and you even might love that brand. I saw Apple transforming from first generation iPhone to 11 Pro Max. And, sorry. Okay. So the question over here is मैं ये सारी चीजें आपको क्यों बता रहा हूँ इस टाइम पे? क्योंकि जब मैंने ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, मैं कुछ एक अपने फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव से जाके मैंने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में बात करी और जैसे ही मैं वहां पे एमवे का नाम लेता था, उनको होता था यार दिस इज अगेन सम मेंबर मेकिंग स्कीम, यार वही पुराना सिस्टम चला रहा है, वही यू नो इट माइट बी टाइप ऑफ पिरामिड. बट इवन आई टॉक टू फ्यू ऑफ द यंगस्टर्स, जब हम यंगस्टर्स को प्लान दिखाते थे तो उस केस में क्या होता था कि प्लान देख के तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो जाते थे, बट जब वो घर जाके बात करते थे उनके पेरेंट्स क्या कहते थे दैट दिस इज अ स्कीम, you're not supposed to do such kind of thing कि आप अपनी जॉब के ऊपर, अपने बिजनेस के ऊपर या फिर जो भी आप स्टडीज करो उस पर फोकस कीजिए. बट गाइज आई टेल यू, इवन मेरे पेरेंट्स ने भी इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को देखा था 1998 में व्हेन एमवे केम टू इंडिया. उनके दिमाग में भी कहीं ना कहीं ये बात तो थी, ये मानिक किस डायरेक्शन में चल पड़ा है, क्योंकि आई एम द ओनली चाइल्ड इन माय फैमिली एंड दे वर लिटिल बिट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट मी. बट द बेस्ट पार्ट क्या था इसका कि दे नेवर स्टॉप्ड मी. उन्होंने मुझे कभी भी रोका नहीं कि यू शुड नॉट डू दिस, बट दे वर न्यूट्रल. बट लेटर ऑन व्हाट हैपेंड कि जैसे जैसे मैंने बिजनेस बिल्ड करना शुरू हुआ तो उनका इंटरेस्ट बनना शुरू हुआ एंड दे वर ओपन माइंडेड. उन्होंने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को मेरे से ध्यान से देखने की कोशिश की एंड लेटर ऑन दे आर राइट नाउ ऑन 18% लेवल ऑन इन दिस बिजनेस. एंड अगर मैं जैसे कि आपसे बात कर रहा था अभी भी कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि एमवे वही पुराना 20-22 साल पुराना कंसेप्ट चला आ रहा है, बट लाइकवाइज आई टोल्ड यू Amway Apple from first generation to 11 Pro Max अगर उन्होंने बनाया, that is the latest version. Same way Amway has evolved itself as a company. But अभी भी कुछ लोगों को फील होता है कि वही पुराना कंसेप्ट है. But personally I tell you, like Apple as an industry upgraded itself, likewise Amway has also transformed from Amway 1.0 to Amway 2.0 and now Amway 3.0. और मुझे यकीन है हमारे साथ काफी सारे यंगस्टर्स इस टाइम पे जुड़े होंगे, तो मेरा सिंपल सा एक आपसे क्वेश्चन है, डू यू नो व्हाट इज एमवे 3.0? कि आप सब भी अभी उसी ऑरा में जी रहे हैं, एरा में जी रहे हैं जहां पे आपको लग रहा है कि ये वही पुराना एमवे है। गाइस, आई टेल यू, एमवे हैज कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म। I think I'll just do a quick, differentiate between Amway 1.0 and Amway 3.0 ताकि आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया लग सके कि कैसे Amway ने अपनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ली है। Amway 1.0 was not that digitally active, but Amway 3.0 is one of the best e-commerce business with latest technology and various interfaces on various digital platforms. Amway 1.0 had very few products range, सिर्फ 6 प्रोडक्ट से, मात्र 6 प्रोडक्ट से बिजनेस स्टार्ट हुआ था. And whereas Amway 3.0 consists of a wide range of consumer targeted products, Amway 3.0 comes with the different passion driven communities like Access for sports lovers, Artistry and Attitude for beauty lovers, Nutrilite for health conscious people, and Amway Queen for all cooking enthusiasts. So basically, to cater the needs of all, we have one brand, that is Amway. Also, most importantly, not to forget, Amway's core plus incentives जो आए हैं इस बार, they are completely amazing, guys. Guys, Amway में startup cost जो सी है, it's almost negligible. A lot of young lads are here with us today, so just tell me, guys, मैं आप सबसे जानना चाहता हूं कि अगर आपकी पॉकेट के अंदर 5 to 10,000 in couple of months आने शुरू हो जाएं, how would it be? For me, it would have been a dream come true अगर मैं कॉलेज में होता, because 5-10 हजार रुपए आपको कॉलेज में आने लग जाए, it's like almost done. You can do a lot of stuff in that. I did a comparison of the income that I earned after my 4 years of degree and the income I earned after 2 years of efforts in this business. I tell you guys, after 2 years of effort till platinum, I could actually earn a good amount of income, which is equivalent to the income of a guy who is passed out from some good college of India. And good college means IITs and IIM guys, right? So, but the best part मेरे को इस business का जो लगा, जितने भी लोगों से मैंने बात करी, the best part was everyone appreciated the products and the quality of products. But उसके पीछे एक छोटी सी लाइन लग जाती थी, I hope आप सबको सुनने को मिलती होगी, यार ये थोड़े महंगे हैं. This made my self belief more and more strong. कुछ लोगों का उल्टा हो जाता, मेरा और strong हो गया. Because like I mentioned, I am brand conscious. So whether it is Apple, Nike or Starbucks, they all are the best, and best comes with a price. So does Amway. But the amazing part of Amway is that they have a superior quality of products, और उसमें भी इतने एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है प्रोडक्ट्स. लोगों को एक्सपेंसिव जरूर लगते हैं, बट उन्हीं को लगते हैं जिन्होंने मे बी यूज ना किए हो और उसकी कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस ना निकाली हो. So until unless you use them, feel them, touch them, and then find out how are they cost effective. This is what I want to tell you guys. So बहुत सी बार ऐसा होता था कि मेरे दिमाग में क्वेश्चन चलता रहता था, यार why Amway? Or in the beginning, this used to happen. Like I said, I followed Apple for quite a while now, and not only fond of their products, but the vision that Jobs had, which said, people with passion can change the world for better. It honors the people who change the world. People honoring the people who think different. Likewise, Amway honors our achievements at all levels during our journey of our Amway business. Amway is pioneer in direct selling industry which envisions helping people live better lives. और इनके 4 strong pillars, freedom, family, hope, and reward. Amway has a rich heritage of 60 years, guys. And the best part is that Amway की जो process है पूरा from seed to supplement is 100% controlled by Amway itself. And Amway, that is why Amway stands as the #1 direct selling company in the world. Amway is the trendsetter in its own industry. और मैं बहुत सारे CEOs को सुनता आ रहा हूँ काफी टाइम से. In the beginning also, in the beginning months जब मैंने business को join ही किया था, and I heard an interview of Howard Schultz, who was the CEO of Starbucks. He was asked once in an interview, aren't you a coffee company? And Schultz answered that we are not in the coffee business. It's what we sell as a product, but we are in the people's business, hiring hundreds a week, serving 60 millions a week. It's all human connection. We're going to build a third place between home and your office. Similarly, in Amway, guys, we are not in the beauty business in selling all these products. It's what we sell as a product, but we are in the business of empowering hundreds of people a week, serving millions of customers. It's all human connection. It's high tech and high touch business, guys. Let me tell you something great about Amway. It was founded by two friends, Rich and Jay, who stood by their ethics system no matter how difficult the situation got. So something which is built on so strong foundation with pure intent can never be wrong. And I'm so proud to be associated with this brand, which pushes me as a better version of myself every day. Thank you so much, guys.